up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install a decal for the reverse light of the Supra. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we're back. So today we're gonna install a decal on the reverse light. So I wanna do it in an carbon fiber look. It's 4D carbon and it's gonna go inside here. It's gonna look amazing because the real carbon is very expensive. So this one is cheaper and it's gonna look amazing. Let me show you the decals. I have it right here. So I'll show you. Oh, the wind is a little bit strong. So this is red, white, blue, and 4D carbon. This is carbon fiber look. Okay, so let me show you how to install it, how they look, but this is the one I want to put on the car. But let me show you how this one, all this looks. Okay, look on the car. Let's do that next. All right, look at this. Ooh, man, looks beautiful, amazing. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Wow, it looks super cool. You can see it. Maybe it's just a small thing, but man, makes a big difference. Okay. Let me know what color do you like the most. I like the carbon, but this one, man, the carbon, this is the 4D carbon. Okay, this is like a satin finish, it's not a gloss finish, so it looks amazing. Okay, I have more colors available, like a yellow, pink, more. I have a lot of colors. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below if you wanna get this for your Supra. Okay guys, that's the decal for the reverse light of the Supra. The link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Let me know what you guys think on the comments. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video. That helps the channel a lot. Okay, subscribe for more videos like this one, share it with your friend, and see you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.